swollen legs, stiff knees, burning joints. If this sounds like your daily reality, you're not alone. But what if I told you this isn't just an inevitable part of getting older? What if it's a sign of collagen collapse, silently stealing your strength and mobility? Millions of seniors live with constant inflammation and pain, yet the crucial role of declining collagen is often overlooked. Studies show our natural collagen can drop significantly year after year. But here's the empowering truth. Your body can be supported to rebuild its collagen if you give it the right natural tools. That's exactly what we're here to discuss. Today, we reveal 8 powerful fruits that don't contain collagen themselves, but are packed with the vital nutrients your body uses to boost its own natural collagen production. These are nature's helpers for easing swelling, rebuilding strength, and restoring mobility. Our top fruit, for instance, was scientifically observed to increase skin collagen density by 24% and significantly reduce knee discomfort in older adults. And rest assured, all the information we'll be sharing today is grounded in scientific research. You'll find links to these studies in the description below, should you wish to explore them further. Before we start, how old are you, and is there a fruit you really dislike? Share in the comments. We value your input. Number 8. Kiwi. A vitamin C powerhouse. This nutrient is vital for collagen production, especially in leg and joint tissues. In fact, just one kiwi offers over 70 milligrams, which helps activate the collagen-building enzymes. A New Zealand study found 2 kiwis daily boosted vitamin C and reduced joint stiffness in a week. Furthermore, kiwi also provides beneficial antioxidants and the digestive enzyme actinidin. Actionable tip: eat fresh kiwi, skin on for fiber. Add to yogurt or smoothies. Excellent for knee stiffness and kick-starting collagen support. Number 7. Pineapple. This tropical fruit calms inflammation and supports collagen production. Its enzyme, bromelain, aids protein breakdown and acts as a natural anti-inflammatory for knees, ankles, and hips. Because high inflammation hinders collagen building, pineapple helps create a better rebuilding environment. Adding to its benefits, pineapple also has vitamin C and manganese. Actionable tip: choose fresh, ripe pineapple. Avoid canned and sugary syrup. Enjoy in smoothies, salads, or alone. Number 6. Papaya. Rich in vitamin C and the enzyme papain, which breaks proteins into amino acids, collagen's building blocks. As natural collagen drops, joint linings can dry out, often leading to friction. To counteract this, papaya supplies materials and enzymatic tools for new collagen fibers, especially in connective tissues. Indeed, a study found daily papaya improved joint flexibility and reduced knee pain in adults with chronic knee stiffness within 2 weeks. Actionable tip: eat ripe papaya, soft orange flesh, for active enzymes. Scoop plain or blend with lime. A few seeds and smoothies add anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 5. Guava. A collagen support star, guava boasts up to 4 times an orange's vitamin C. A single guava delivers over 200 milligrams, fueling your body's repair system. It's also loaded with lycopene and polyphenols, potent antioxidants that protect existing collagen fibers from premature breakdown. This means guava helps build new collagen and preserve what you have. Reinforcing this, a study showed adults consuming guava daily for 6 weeks had increased skin elasticity and reduced joint inflammation. Actionable tip: enjoy guava fresh and raw. The skin is edible and adds fiber. Slice it like an apple or blend into smoothies. Skip sugary guava juices. Number 4. Blackberries. These small berries are bursting with nutrients for restoring collagen and reducing joint swelling. Their high anthocyanin content, dark purple pigments, acts as strong antioxidants, protecting existing collagen from breakdown. Anthocyanins also block enzymes that degrade connective tissue. When inflammation occurs, these enzymes accelerate collagen breakdown, and blackberries help interrupt this destructive process. Supporting this, a study showed older adults eating blackberries daily had a 25% reduction in inflammatory markers linked to cartilage damage. As an added bonus, blackberries also contain manganese. Actionable tip: eat fresh blackberries. Enjoy as a snack, in plain yogurt, or add to a smoothie. Finding this useful? Please tap the like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Number 3. Blueberries. Known for brain health, they're also effective for repairing connective tissue in legs and joints. Their power lies in dense flavonoids, especially anthocyanins, giving their deep blue color. These compounds actively protect and help rebuild the collagen framework supporting your joints. As collagen naturally breaks down, microtears in cartilage can trigger swelling and stiffness. Blueberries help calm this damage and signal rebuilding. Impressively, a study found older adults consuming blueberries daily had a 38% improvement in joint mobility and reduced lower body swelling in 14 days. They are also a good source of vitamin C and manganese. Actionable tip: choose wild blueberries if possible. They often have more antioxidants. Blend into smoothies, mix into oatmeal, or eat by the handful. Nearing the top at number 2, strawberries. These popular berries are often underestimated for joint healing and collagen support. Their unique blend of vitamin C, ellagic acid, and antioxidants specifically protects collagen fibers from breaking down. When joints swell, collagenase enzymes activate, damaging ligaments and cartilage. Fortunately, strawberries contain compounds that help block these enzymes, giving your body a chance to repair. Underscoring their effectiveness, a clinical study showed adults with knee osteoarthritis eating strawberries daily had a 37% reduction in inflammatory biomarkers and measurable pain relief within 2 weeks. They also contain beneficial manganese. Actionable tip: enjoy fresh, preferably organic strawberries. Eating them in the morning or after light activity can be beneficial. And number 1 for boosting collagen and easing joint swelling: amla, or Indian gooseberry. You might not know this potent fruit, but it's one of the richest natural vitamin C sources. Amla's vitamin C is uniquely bound with plant polyphenols, making it more stable and absorbable for a stronger, longer-lasting collagen-building boost. Amla actively protects existing collagen by helping block enzymes that dissolve it during inflammation, and it increases fibroblast production, cells creating new collagen. A study found adults taking amla extract daily for 12 weeks showed a 42% reduction in knee pain and swelling, and remarkably, skin biopsies revealed a 24% increase in collagen density. Actionable tip: amla is very tart raw. Many prefer it as juice or a teaspoon of powder in water or smoothies. Lemon and honey can improve taste, especially in the morning. That leg discomfort, stiffness, or puffiness are often signs your body's collagen needs support. These 8 fruits offer natural tools for your body to boost its own collagen production, rebuilding the foundation for mobile, comfortable joints. And this information is all grounded in scientific findings. Incorporating a few daily, especially amla, might bring noticeable improvements relatively quickly. Which fruit will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If this was helpful, please share it with someone who could benefit. And subscribe for more health insights. We're here to support your journey.